Hey everyone, welcome. And this is Bhavna Srivastava, the Golden Light. And I am so excited, very excited, because I have found a new place. I am in a new location in Longwood, Florida, and I have my office here. So I am excited to invite all of you to come to my open house this month. And I'm going to be doing it on 15th of July, 22nd, and 29th. And you are more than welcome. If you do not live here, no issues. We've got a special prices for referrals. So if you refer people, maybe your friends and family members, you know somebody who lives here in Florida, please refer them and ask them to come, because if you've used my services in the past and seen how it has made a difference in your life, please refer me to them as well. I would really appreciate that. And send me their names. If they come in, I would love to send something towards you, a gift card or something, right? Or you can come and join a couple of my classes. But if you are here local and would love to come to my open houses, I invite you. I have some new client special offers where I'm offering you free masterclass on money. I'm offering you connect with me. I just want to connect and grow again and help people more in life. So help me spread this word so I can help and reach out to more people and transform their lives and create ripples just like I did for you. Thank you. I love you and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.